Hey everyone, let's make Tauhu Bergedil but vegan. For this, we're going to need some potatoes. Let's peel the skin from the potatoes and then we're going to quarter them. Then we're going to place them in a pot and cover with water. Salt it generously, and then we're going to boil for 15 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked and soft. Drain and leave to steam dry while we prepare the other ingredients. Bergedil is usually made with some sort of minced meat. Today we're going to be using TVP or textured vegetable protein. TVP comes dry like this and needs to be rehydrated with some hot water or hot broth. I'm just going to use water today. Set it aside to hydrate for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we need to slice some onion, garlic, and chilies. The full ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. We're also going to roughly chop some herbs. We have some spring onion and flat leaf parsley or daun soup. Now let's prepare our tofu puffs or tauhu goreng. We're going to hollow out this tofu puff so we can stuff the potato filling in here. With our fingers, gently fish out the inside of the tofu puff until we're left with a hollowed out tofu puff like this. Keep this tofu because we're going to stir it into our filling mix. Before we get on to the fun part of this recipe, let's first make the dipping sauce. Roughly chop some big red chilies, chili padi, red onion, and garlic. Pour a little bit of oil in the pan and saute these ingredients until golden, soft, and fragrant. Then we're going to place everything into a blender along with some sweet soy sauce or ketchup mayonnaise. Blend everything well until the sauce looks a bit pasty. Now let's move on to the fun part, mashing the potatoes. You can use a fork, a potato masher, or even your hands, but I'm going to use a ricer. This creates a super soft potato mash, plus it's so fun to press. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see more recipe videos just like this one. Look at these potato noodles, so much fun and so soft. To this mashed potato, we're going to add all the ingredients we chopped earlier. I love how colorful it looks in here and it smells amazing. Let's not forget to add the hydrated TVP and the tofu from earlier too. We're also going to add some fried onions or bawang goreng in here as well. Season the mix with some nutritional yeast, salt, and white pepper. Mix everything well until all the ingredients are properly combined. Now we can stuff our tofu puffs with this potato mixture. I don't know about you, but I like a lot of filling. So I'm going to really press the potato in here so I can get as much of it in as possible. This recipe will fill about 18 tofu puffs. Don't they look super cute? While waiting for our deep fryer to come to temperature, let's make a quick vegan egg mix. Combine chickpea flour and rice flour in a bowl. Season with some nooch, mushroom seasoning, kala namak, salt, and pepper. Pour some water in and whisk to combine. In a separate bowl, whisk aquafaba to soft peaks. Then fold the aquafaba mix with the chickpea and rice flour mix. And now we're ready to fry. Coat the Tauhu Bergedil in the vegan egg mixture generously and immediately place into the hot oil. Fry in small batches so the temperature of the oil stays at around 190 degrees Celsius. This will ensure your Tauhu Bergedil is crispy but not oily. We're going to fry this for about 5 minutes or until it turns a nice golden brown color. Then serve hot with that amazing dipping sauce we made earlier. For more eggy vegan snacks, watch this video right here and I'll see you over there.